So we just finished the Dodge, putting that 1-year ceramic coating. This is the customer that we ceramic coated last week. We did a 1-step paint correction and a 1-year ceramic coating. He came back a week later for a wash. There's a Mustang cruise tomorrow, Sunday, here in Houston. Then for some kind of reason, like a couple of days ago, we had like a sandstorm or something. Everybody woke up with their cars just with brown dirt. So it's gonna be a quick wash, nothing too fancy, just a 3-bucket method. I already did the rims. I didn't get to show that part, but ended up using the wheel bucket with the I.detail brushes, small brushes, and everything that I'm using we have for sale. Everything that we used on the Dodge truck we have for sale too. But I just put reset. Did about 2 ounces of reset into the bucket. Look at that beating. Grab that little piece right there on the side. There you go. Go up. All right, man. Go to work. So now we're just going over it with Reload to give it that slickness, prolong that ceramic coating. Just need to do a couple of sprays, nothing too crazy, just spread so evenly too and so wide. Just a couple of sprays. And then this is the Tire Shine, Adams Tire Shine. The new Tire Shine has an SiO2